Good morning. We are coming into Saint Maarten today. This is day 5 of our cruise on Wonder of the Seas, and I am so enjoying this cruise. Still has been one of my favorite cruises I've been on. Got up early to try to catch the sunrise. Hopefully you'll get a little piece of that video if it turns out good. It's trying to peek up over the mountain now. Today we have Maho Beach in Saint Maarten. I think it's called Saint Juliana Airport, which is a famous airport. I'll correct that if it's not right. But supposed to be able to go there and sit on the beach as airplanes are landing over you, so I cannot wait to get a few shots of that and to see, hopefully not get hurt or see anybody get hurt, because it looks dangerous. Gonna try to catch some breakfast, and then we can get off the ship in about an hour from now, and so my plan is to get off the ship at 8:30, and then I gotta meet we gotta meet for our excursion at 10:30. Kind of want to do some exploring though. So here comes the sun. So gonna watch the sunrise and then go get a bite to eat, and then go see what Saint Maarten has to offer. All right, see you around.
To your left hand side, to the top of the hill, coming up, we have an old house there, that is Fort Amsterdam. One year, you're welcome here to the beautiful island, and we have some coconut trees there. The whole entire tree is usable.
Alright, got on the bus for the excursion. A couple things I want to point out. I think taking a taxi is the better idea. I mean, I know that at least with the excursions, you are guaranteed to get back on the ship if you do them through the ship, which I did. And because I wasn't familiar with the area, I didn't want to take the chances. It's kind of a pain though. There's a ton of people. They crowd you on a bus, and you gotta wait for everybody to get off the bus. You have, we had to stand in the sun for about 45 minutes waiting in line just for them to take us to our excursion. I didn't like it. I should have just went straight to a taxi. I may take a taxi back instead. I'm gonna see how much it costs, so I'll let you know how that goes. Now we are here at Maho Beach, and there's a beach bar. I need water, like to get my body in some water, and a drink.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
No, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
This place is absolutely disgusting. You know, you can drink free if you're topless at the bar. Where? I don't, over there.
Holy crap! Just finished Maho Beach. There's some really cool footage. Go to the Sunset Beach Bar, I think, and they have the arrivals listed there for you, and you can see when the big planes are coming in. There's lots of little planes that come through there, but the big ones are the ones that you want to see. That's impressive. However, regardless of when the planes are landing, the beach area, you need to be aware when you go here. You need to be prepared. It is the biggest wave pool you will ever experience, and it is rough, and we have so much footage to follow of people that were not prepared. She wasn't ready. People lost their phones, people lost their Apple Watch. So we put our stuff all the way in the back, and with that, it's still big waves came up and took it out all the way across the highway, or I say highway loosely. Thankfully some good Samaritans picked it up and put it back, but we had laid out towels. They were completely soaked. Thankfully we brought a dry bag. Tip, bring a dry bag. We thought we would have a nice little leisurely layout while we were here with our towels, and we laid towels out completely soaked, shorts completely soaked, hats completely soaked, sunglasses, everything got taken. Absolutely an amazing experience, just not one that you want to do if you are not ready for the waves and you are not ready to get wet. Don't bring important stuff on this adventure unless you have a dry bag to put it in, because it's a lot. We wanted to leave a little bit early. We saw what we needed to see, and we want to go down to the downtown area to do some shopping and some eating and laying out on a more relaxed beach. So we're taking a taxi back. It's $9 per person, and it's going to get us there a little bit. We're supposed to get us there a little bit quicker, but right now we're in a traffic. I don't know what we're doing, honestly. That's our guy right there. He's standing outside the vehicle. He got out. Yeah, so honestly, we paid $50 a person $50 a person for this excursion. Could have paid $9 each way, so $18 a person for a taxi, and done the exact same thing as the excursion. You just have to be careful because of traffic. There are a lot of traffic jams like what we're in right now. Yeah, so you have to be careful of that because if you're in a traffic jam and you're not on an excursion with the ship, they will not wait on you. If you're in a traffic jam and you're on an excursion with the ship, they will wait on you. The ship will wait on you. But we left in plenty of time to hopefully get back to where we need to be and not have any problems. So I'll update you on that later. All right, see you at the next area. What are you getting?
A duck. I'm getting a duck. And I'm not telling anybody when I get it.
I want a duck.
I'm just gonna surprise y'all.
I love ducks.
Yeah, so do I actually.
Okay, made it down to Phillipsburg. And this is a cute little area. I love this. It's a bunch of shops walking down here, and then you're right on the beach so you can go chill. We're gonna try the Blue Bitch bar because why wouldn't you try it if it's called that? All right, about to head back to the ship. Decided to do a little shopping down here at Phillipsburg. Phillipsburg? I think that's right. Petted some puppies. There's little puppies. They wanted to come home with me. And now gonna head back to the ship. Back here behind me, again, way back there, that's the beach for Phillipsburg. And it is really nice as well. Could have spent all day there, but we really enjoyed the beach at Maho Beach with the planes landing. That was an experience in itself, regardless of the planes landing or not. It was a lot of fun. It took a lot out of us. I'm burnt, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need a drink really bad. Ready to get back on the ship and get this stuff taken care of. So we'll see you back on the ship.
Is that a ship?
Yep. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dinner was amazing as usual. Now we're in the Spotlight karaoke waiting for a show at 9:30 that we have to go to.
Yo, that one lady that was like, you want to be playing? Oh my god, that really hit the heartbreak.
Yeah. I'm getting down by that.
I felt their answer because like, it was like,
While rocking was out of the side.
Get it! La 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 la. La 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 la.
For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on.
Keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. When our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of the wind. Hold me close until my eyes meet. You won't ever.
end of day 5, and I'm tired. So came back to the ship, started the night, thinking I was coming straight back to the room to take a nap and shower, get cleaned up for dinner, but decided I would go down to the Central Park bar for a little sip of water. That's where things went wrong. So went down there. There was a couple sitting there that recommended the espresso martini, which I decided I would take because she talked me into it. She was like, hey, you don't need a nap. You can sleep when you're at home. You get one of these, you'll stay up all night. So I did that. 3 martinis later, I'm lost. I need to still get ready for dinner. I'm still in my bikini with sand all over me. Figured it out, got ready for dinner. Went to dinner. Dinner's amazing as always. Went to the tap show. This is where things got a little fishy. The tap show was amazing, but I sat down and sitting was a bad idea. I went to sleep. Kind of. It was more like this. It was like, I gotta watch the show, I gotta watch the show, gotta watch the show, watch the show. So, take a nap before. It was a long day. I should have taken a nap, but I didn't. But the show was really good. Every show that I've watched here is really good. After that, we did a 70s dance party. That was really fun. I enjoyed it. I don't know how to dance. None of the dances, zero. But I can look like a fool. It's fine. It's fun. And everybody's having a good time. So I enjoyed it. Hung out around the promenade for a little while, had some pizza, and now it is time for bed. Tomorrow is sea day. The next day is sea day. I don't know how much more sun I need. I'm a little raw from today. But that's my plan, is to lay out and have some sun, see what else I can get into. Ship's rocking again. Let's not get sick again. That's gonna suck. By now I'm feeling pretty good though, so let's hope that I will continue to feel good. Made a lot of friends in karaoke. Hopefully they're following my page. Shout out to all of you. Hopefully, if you were in our karaoke on Wonder of the Seas, December 11th, please comment below. Let me know that you started following and that that you're watching this. So I'm interested in keeping contact with you. A lot of fun little, I shouldn't say little kids. I don't know how old they were. But some kids in there having a good time. Enjoyed them a lot. So it was a good time. Anyway, time for bed. See y'all tomorrow.
Remember, a life without adventure is I don't remember. Wait. A life with adventure is a life well lived. So I think that I'm gonna get sick by going in circles. I'm pretty sure I did that too fast, so let's slow it down. No, I'm done.